What if the financial reset has already started, and most people still don't see it? Around the world, something unusual is happening quietly behind the scenes. Inflation continues hurting families, prices keep rising, companies are laying off workers, and global markets are becoming more unpredictable every week. One day the economy looks stable, and the next day fear spreads across financial news everywhere. But while ordinary people stay distracted by daily life, experienced investors and wealthy institutions are moving very carefully. History has shown that major economic transformations never arrive with loud warnings. They begin silently, while most people ignore the signs until it becomes impossible to avoid. And according to many experts, the world may now be entering another major financial shift that could change the future of money, jobs, and opportunities forever. Whenever smart investors become cautious, people pay attention. Not because billionaires can predict the future perfectly, but because they understand economic patterns better than most people. Every financial crisis in history created two kinds of people: those who panicked emotionally and those who prepared strategically. The second group often changed their lives forever. Smart investors don't follow hype blindly. Instead, they study fear, uncertainty, and long-term opportunities. Right now, powerful investors are quietly focusing on industries like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, digital infrastructure, renewable energy, and advanced technology. Why? Because they believe the next decade could completely reshape the global economy. While ordinary people focus only on today's problems, smart money focuses on tomorrow's possibilities. The world is now changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is replacing jobs, automation is transforming industries, and digital finance is evolving rapidly. Governments are struggling to control inflation, while debt levels continue growing across many countries. This is not just another normal market cycle. Many analysts believe we are entering a full economic transformation, the kind that changes how people live, work, spend, and survive. For many people, this creates fear and uncertainty. But for prepared individuals, these moments can also create massive opportunity. History repeatedly proves that every major economic shift rewards those who adapt early. The biggest mistake most people make during uncertain times is waiting for perfect certainty. By the time the world feels safe again, the biggest opportunities are usually already gone. So what are intelligent people doing right now? First, they are learning. Because in the modern world, information is one of the most valuable assets anyone can have. Second, they are becoming more patient and disciplined. Emotional decisions destroy wealth, while disciplined thinking creates long-term success. And third, they are positioning themselves early instead of reacting late. Most people spend their entire lives reacting to events after they happen, but successful people prepare before the crowd notices what is changing. Nobody can predict the future perfectly, but history repeats the same psychological patterns again and again. Fear controls the majority, while preparation rewards the minority. And during uncertain times, mindset often becomes more important than money itself. Maybe this becomes another temporary economic slowdown, or maybe this becomes one of the biggest financial resets of our generation. Either way, the people paying attention today could have a huge advantage tomorrow. The world is changing rapidly, money is changing, technology is changing, opportunities are changing, and the next few years may decide who adapts successfully and who gets left behind. The question is no longer whether change is coming, because change is already here. The real question is whether you will be prepared when the future arrives. So what do you think? Are we heading toward a financial crisis, or the biggest opportunity of the decade? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy deep financial analysis and future trend videos, subscribe now, because the next few years could change everything.